Take a look at this 2010 Holden Commodore.
You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control.
Ride in style with the included premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Call today to schedule a test drive.